Welcome to the Puppy Bowl experience here at Geico Stadium, where we are celebrating 10 years of the cutest game on the planet. It's a beautiful, brisk day here in Times Square in the heart of New York City. All of the canine competitors are getting fired up and ready to go nose to nose in hopes of being named this year's most valuable puppy. Now let's go live to our announcers calling the plays on the field.
Wow, Mandy has grabbed the ball. Well, I guess he's just going to do it. Oh, and look at those legs go. And it's a touchdown, people. It's